Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is a mustard oil extraction plant in Mardan. A very small plant, and you can see its different parts. There are taps and extracted oil coming out of it. This is a very beautiful scene to observe the interior side of the mustard oil industry. This oil is used for many purposes. Some people use it as a cooking oil in place of the marketing oils, and others use it in medicine, in very different domestic uses. Here it is, different parts of this plant. You can observe the extraction of mustard oil. In Urdu it is called sarson ka tel. So this is the plant for mustard oil. Its compression is here. The seeds of mustard are compressed here, and the liquefied oil is coming out of it, and here it goes, and here is a reservoir. You can see going through this pipe, and it stores in the reservoir. On the other side, a man is collecting this oil in different kinds of utensils. Thank you so much for watching this video.